Alrighty. So I got my oven cleaner. It's right here. Oven cleaner, heavy duty. It's a foam. Bought at Dollar Tree for $1 and like 5 cents for 1 can. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. I'm gonna do one side. I'm not gonna do the other. Just show the difference. And it helps if you have one of these little horse scrubbing brush. So let's go ahead. Oh, and I also got a pressure washer. No, honey. So yeah, do that. Have all these things. I mean, not everyone have a pressure washer. I understand. Do what you can. Finish a little DIY to get your hood clean for super duper cheap, instead of spending like $5 on all this other stuff. So go ahead and get to it. So let it sit, and for a few minutes, I'll show you the difference here. So you see the big difference there. Huge difference. But yeah, I mean, that's not even probably half a can. So this whole can can probably do this whole hood several times. But I'll go ahead and finish this up real quick and be right back with you. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good. So, yeah, this little can. Oh, wear a respirator and gloves. I don't think I even have fingertips anymore. Well, like, you know, can't identify me pretty much. Stuff has some serious acid in it. I did not know this. So, wear gloves, wear a respirator. So, because yeah, this stuff is seriously strong. I mean, it showed one spot. I didn't. Right there, it started taking paint off. This is some serious stuff, but it works. It works extremely well. But I don't want to touch my face. I started burning my hands and my arms real bad. So yeah, just be careful when using it. But it works phenomenally. So, but yeah, I'm actually about to start prepping this hood for paint. I'll be showing you how to do it for less. Well, I got my electric paint gun on sale at Walmart. So I spent with paint gun, hardener, reducer, everything was less than $100. So I should have painted a car for less than $100. Hopefully it goes good. If not, oh well. This is my car. I'll rock it. I mean, out of all my cars, to tell you the truth, I don't think any of them actually had a good paint job. I mean, it looked good from a distance. That's about it, though. But yeah, that will be it for this one. Cheap, easy trick, like I said. That's $1. It's like $2 at Walmart. And then let's say you could spend like another $2 at the car wash. There you go. Super easy, super cheap. That's one can. Sorry, I was breathing all that crap in. But yeah, that's one can of that stuff, and it did all that. A lot of that stuff is just from years and years and years, and would probably just need scrubbed down to, with sandpaper or something, get all that crap off, because it's, or another can of this stuff, let it sit really well, and get like a toothbrush or something, get really in there with all that stuff. But yeah, that's it for this one.